welcome to episode 3 of the 0 to 10k a month SMMA series. So this is just a quick video today because, as I mentioned, I want you guys to see everything. So I just have a few updates on what I'm gonna do with the agency and the setup, but I'm also gonna show you a tracking sheet that we are gonna be using for our outreach because I'm gonna be uploading video. I'm gonna upload every second day from now on because every day is a bit too much for me. So every second day I'm gonna start uploading. I know new people just clicked on this video randomly, don't know who the fuck I am. I'm scaling from 0 to 10k a month and vlogging everything, showing you everything from A to Z so you can follow me and do the same. The light is a bit shit here today. I'm not in my usual recording space. But yeah, I just want to show you a tracking sheet today, and then I want to give you an update what we're also going to do in the agency to actually sign more clients, okay? So yeah, let's get right into it. So let's just start with the setup guide because we set that up a few days ago, and I just want to add something. What I'm going to do as well with outreach channels and getting clients, but also like getting authority. I could not spell it, so I just searched it up. Like this, I'm going to create an Instagram page for agency and upload around 10 to 15 Instagram reels, IG reels basically. So I'm gonna upload Instagram reels to build up my report a bit more. So they are more willing to actually work with me. In my other agency, if you don't notice, I've already scaled 2 agencies to plus 10k a month. So I'm not completely new to this, but you should already know that, of course. And this is what I did in my interior design agency, and it worked great. They jumped on the intros with me and they jumped on the demo with me as well. And they had seen my Instagram profile and they trusted me. I gave them a lot of value, so they were actually willing to pay me. So this is something we'll also be getting, and I'll show you how to set that up in one of the coming videos as well. The next video will be out on Sunday, where I'll basically show you how to set up Go High Level and all of that stuff for your agency, so you can set up appointment reminders and all of that sweet stuff. And by the way, also, if you have not currently done this yet, you can find this document if you go to risingagencies.com/agency. Then you get taken to this document right here, okay? So I'm just gonna add this as a bookmark. I would suggest you to do the same. So let me make a new bookmark and call it new agency or something. Save it right here because then we have it and then we can always find it. So the second part about this video, I'll finally get into it. I'm like 4 minutes in, I think. So what you want to do is go to risingagencies.com/data. Okay, then you will be taken to this KPI tracker I created. This is test data, so you just want to delete it to show you how it works. But basically what you do with this is you can track the time frame. So you can see the last 7 days, the last 14 days, etc., last month. And then you basically can see your statistics. You can see your closing rate. You can see how many positive replies you got. You can see how many intros you got. You can see how many intros you took. You can see how many no-shows you had. And you can see the same for the demos. And this is going to come crazy in hand once we start doing a lot of outreach for our agency, because we can do the same for cold calling, Instagram DMs, cold email, cold SMS, and all of these. Okay, and how it works, how you track it. You don't want to touch anything on this page. You only want to track it inside of this one. So that means if you sit and do cold calls every single day, and you know you do 200 a day, you put in 200 cold calls. Then you put in how many people picked up, how many picked up the phone. What I like to do when I sit in here and cold call is just kind of increase it with 1 every single time, like this. 4, 5, and then I'll just do the same thing with call with owner, intro booked, etc. So just fill in this on a bi-daily, a daily. I like to do it on a daily basis. You can also do it on a weekly basis. That's completely up to you. And then you kind of just put in everything that happened that day. And if you do multiple outreach channels such as cold SMS and cold email, like I do, I'm going to do these for the agency. Then you'll basically also input the data from these ones. Because then what this is going to tell us is how many demos you took to actually sign a client and how many positive replies you got to sign a client. All of that stuff, if the outreach channels are doing great or bad. And I'm actually going to use this one that's under the template for my agency, because then you can actually see how it's going. So you can see how many positive replies I'm getting, how many clients assigned, how much revenue I've made, all of these things, because I'll track it in here. And I would suggest you to do the same thing if you're going to start an agency and follow me on this journey, because you definitely should. Also join the Discord if you have not already. First link in the description. I have a free course. I'm giving away everything for free. I have plus 10 weekly coaching calls, and I don't charge you anything. I hope the sound is good. By the way, I'm using this shitty mic. Yeah, that's it for the video, actually. Yeah, if you have any SMA questions, anything like that, join Discord or comment below, and then subscribe if you want to follow me on my journey. I grew with like 70 subscribers yesterday, which is absolutely insane if you ask me. So let's keep that trend up. All right, boys and girls, get this sheet, make this bookmark folder that I just did for your agency. Go in and fill out everything in the agency setup guide. So you want to go to risingagencies.com/agency. And then fill in all of this information. You can also go back in the episodes. There's a playlist right here before the video ends that you can click on and follow. See the full playlist of the 0 to 10K journey. And then you can find the video where I actually fill in all of this information and buy the domain, stuff like that. So yeah, definitely do that, create this bookmark, and then follow me on my journey. Like, I'm not the only one who should hit 10K. I hope at least like 10 of my viewers hit 10K as well. And I hope it's gonna be you. All right, see ya.